Welcome to day 3 of the Unreal Engine 4 7-day game challenge. We're making an RPG this time around. Let's get into day 3. Let's see what we've got going on. So you don't want to see a boring graph. We can get rid of that. Let's just take a look while we are here, though, at the UI that we're building. As you can see now, it's got this kind of little dip in it, and I'll tell you why. I'll tell you the reason for that. So my brother comes wandering into my room, and I'm like, "Hey, you want to check out my game?" And he's like, "Yeah, go on then." And I load into the game, and the first thing he says is, "Stop. I don't like the UI, it looks too square." And I'm thinking to myself, oh shit, what can I do? So he suggests totally getting rid of this grey, so it's like totally transparent. I tried that, it looks dreadful. So now you just stick a little bit of a curve in it, and actually it looks a lot better now. You know, it's not totally square. So what have we got going on in the UI? Well, we have added health and mana potions. I'm going to work on these 3 spells tomorrow. We've added, well, the UI is basically as it is. I just wanted to show you that because this window was open. So let's throw that to the side and open the full game window there. Okay, so what have we got going on? What's new? Well, this chest looks new, right? I don't think this was in the last episode. I'm going to cover this chest anyway because I don't actually believe it was. I have had a day off in between just to, you know, I've been at work today or yesterday, so I had a day off in between, so I've totally lost where I was. But yeah, we've also got these like light particles coming down from the ceiling, and you can see that on this chest here a little bit better. And they fade. It fades as you get closer to it. If I actually hide the ground mesh there, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. So you go and get your chest, your loot. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. The AI now works properly. Hooray! So if I play the game and just eject and fly on over through here, you'll notice that we have our little goblins wandering around in here. These little creeps. And there is a third goblin who patrols this corridor up here for once you've killed those 2. So let's start the game, and actually before we start the game I've just remembered I need to change a variable or something actually in here for staff, and visible should be off. Okay, so let's play the game. Here we are. You can see the UI now with the little curve on it. Ooh, curvy. You can see our level, our mana potions. In fact, I'll just demonstrate the mana potions working. So they restore 20 mana, and they will appear in some of these random chests. So I'm just going to cast this spell. Oh, wait a minute. So I don't have my staff, so I can't cast my spell. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you spawn is I'm going to make it so that you cannot open this door until this chest has been unlocked. So I need to get that working. But for now, just pretend that door's locked. So we're going to loot this chest. Ta-da! We have our staff, and we walk away from it, and the light goes, and it's been looted. We can no longer interact with that. So I think that's pretty cool. You know, you use the chest once, and I suppose if the maps start getting more complicated, and you're wandering around and you're looking back and you're thinking, I've already looted this chest, so I must have been through here. Anyway, we've got our staff now, so we can cast the spell. Let's fire a spell off, and you'll notice my mana goes down. Use a mana potion. I have no more mana potions left, but my mana is now back at 100%. So let's head on down and see what's happening with the AI. Let's see if we can see those little creeps. You can see the chest. We want to get their loot. They've got the precious loot. So we can lock onto this one, and he actually has a health bar above his head now. He's not spotted me. Let's fire one of these off at him. Oh, we got a hit. So yeah, we can kill this guy, and we can see his little health bar going down as we hit him. If you lock onto the other one, it like hides the health bar of the first one. So that's kind of good. So boom, he's dead. And we're gonna kill you now. Oh, if I didn't fire the spell at the and they do actually damage you. If you notice my health is down a bit, it's because he got an attack off on me. Like that. When he swings his arm, you'll notice that my health goes down. So that's him dead as well anyway, so we've done that. Pew. I don't know what that bug is, I just cannot seem to fix it. So we're in here now. Hooray! This loot chest is no different from the first one. Spoilers, I know. But yeah, I need to program this yet. So let's head on over here. Oh damn, I just missed the window to test whether my health potion was working. We'll test it upstairs. Yep, so ta-da, I get some goodies, maybe some potions for your next level or something like that. Excuse me a second. Wow. Okay, I thought I was going to sneeze. So I may sneeze in the upcoming minutes. Advance warning. So we've killed the goblins. I will put a door in here, and then this door will be open once you've looted that chest. So you've completed the area in here. Head on up the stairs using your staff for the light. This door's open. Who have we got behind here? Oh, the goblin has spotted him. Now his nav mesh ends there, where my crosshair is. Or does it end here? Oh, hello, you little prick. His health must be set to 0. Yeah, okay, so I forgot to give him health. The idea behind this is that you can just drag and drop the same enemy component into the game and you can change it. So, for example, I can make this enemy up here hit me for... Let's find him. I can make this one up here pretty much a boss. So on the side here, I can make him a level 10, so he'll have 1000 HP. I'll get 9 million experience for killing him. And he's gonna deal 100,000 damage on hit. So like that will now be a boss pretty much. Like I won't be able to kill that. But I'm gonna set that to 5, and I'm gonna set that to 1, and I'm gonna leave the XP as that just to give myself a quick test of something. So look, we've got our stuff. Let's run on through here. I'm gonna skip these 2 mobs just for the purpose of testing something. I know that at the end of the day video I'm supposed to be showcasing, but my head is stuck in test mode at the minute, so I am going to use this as an opportunity to test something as well. So let's fire this off and kill him hopefully in a second. Come on, you little prick. Use my health potion just in case. And my level is 2. Okay, I know what that bug is. So the idea behind the leveling system is, let me show you the blueprint for that. Oh yeah, so another thing I've done today is tidy up all my blueprints. So this is the first person character. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff there, and I've gone around adding in a lot of reroute nodes just so that everything is so much more readable. And I do not know why I have ever built blueprints without these reroute nodes. Like, they make things so readable. Look at this. Look at how easy it is to follow where each of these nodes are going. So if you're building blueprints, I seriously recommend using these reroute nodes. You will thank yourself later on when you come back and try and read your blueprint because something's wrong. Anyway, yeah, so the experience thing. Where are we looking for that? Add experience, level up, upgrade spell damage. So we add experience when we get past an amount of experience to add, so we add it. If the experience that we now have is more than or equal to the experience to level, then we level up, and we set the experience bar on the next thing to be... So I need to do some more maths here. Basically what's happening is we got like 9,000 XP, right? That should have leveled up a bunch of times. But what happened is it leveled us up once, and then it took the remainder and filled up the next XP bar instead of filling up, leveling up again, and then filling up and leveling up again. So I need to do some different mathematics for that. Anyway, I'll figure that out later. My brother's off to study mathematics and finance or something up in Glasgow University, so anytime I've got an issue with maths, I'm always bobbing on down to his room and being like, yo, bro, can you check this out for me? He helped me do the... we were doing the percentages on the UI. Yeah, I don't think you guys are really interested in this. I don't know why I'm mumbling on about this. But I'm going to show you anyway. We did the get percentage on this one, so we needed to times it by 100 and then take it away from that number, blah 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 blah, divide it by 1, and then that gives us a value. So yeah, he's the maths guy. I'll do the programming. It works quite well together. Yeah, so what have we got? We've got the loot chest, we've got the working AI, we've got this sun shaft, we've got the light shining down the treasure chests. You know, you got the little bit at the beginning where you don't have a staff, you can't cast any spells until you pick up the staff. The AI is working properly. It hits you, it deals damage to you, you can deal damage to it. So I'm going to get those 4 of the spells in tomorrow. Someone in the comment section on the previous video suggested that I have different staffs that affect like mana cost of spells. So I've actually begun implementing that. So you can see here on the Fell Lightning, which is the spell on number 1, we have a mana cost which we set the mana to. So you have mana, let's say I have 100 mana, I cast it, my mana becomes 100 minus 15, so it becomes 85 mana, right? If I have a mana cast modifier, so if I have a spell that makes my spells cost 10 mana less, it will be, okay, so I've got 100 mana, take away 15, 85, add the 10 for the mana cost modifier, and set that to my new mana, so that would be 85 or 10, so 95. So my spell has effectively now only cost me 5 mana as opposed to 15 mana. And I'm going to have 3 tiers of this staff in the game: 5 mana, 10 mana, 15 mana. And basically at the 3rd tier, that will mean that your Fell Lightning spell is no longer cost mana, so you'll have 2 spells now that don't cost mana. and then 3 and 4 are going to be progressively more expensive. So 15 mana, 30 mana, 60 mana, and 100 mana. So that's the mana levels of the spells I'm going to set up. So I need to set up the other 3 spells tomorrow. Yep, so we got the mana potions in there. What else have we got that's new? I'm not really sure. I'm not sure. This day off was like blagged me a bit. Like it's totally thrown me on what I've done today and what was like done in the midnights before work, stupidly. Yeah. Okay, well I'm gonna wrap it up there. Like I don't think I've got anything else. If I have, I will just cover it in the next video. Yeah, so I'll drop it there. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I hope you're enjoying the progress. I mean, throw these suggestions at me. Like this, the thought of the staves that affect mana cost would not have come to me on my own. I need you guys to give me these suggestions in the comment section. Give me the thoughts that you have, and I'll try my best to put them in the game if they're good enough, if they're simple enough to do within the time frame that I've got. I'm really enjoying making this game. Like all I have ever built in Unreal Engine is these stupid horror games, and this is so much more fun. I'm finding this so refreshing to do something new, to approach a genre that I love. In fact, I'm wrapping it up early tonight. It's only 1:30 in the morning, I know. And I'm usually working on this stuff till 4 AM, but I'm wrapping it up early tonight so I can go play some World of Warcraft. So yeah, I mean, I love MMORPGs, I love RPGs, so that's the reason I decided, sorry about that, that's the reason this time I decided to go ahead and try and build an RPG, and it's been one hell of an experience. So please stay subscribed to the channel if you want to see more updates on this 7-day game challenge. Stay subscribed for more tutorials. Again, leave comments below if you see anything in the video you want to see a tutorial on. Maybe it's the light beams, maybe it's the chest opening and then becoming locked, maybe yada yada yada. You leave me a comment, I will try and make a tutorial for it. Give the video a thumbs up if you like the progress, guys. If you like what's going on, if you don't, leave me a thumbs down. I won't be offended. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.